These are these 4 smoke detectors I got here to install in our 4 rooms so that we can renew them and retire the old smoke detectors whose life is gone away. So this takes the battery. I'm using my own battery right now, but they did provide a battery for each of those, which are similar to the ones that I'm using. So this can be mounted on the wall using the hardware they have provided, which is also having wall anchors and screws. So let's test this. I think the battery I used before is gone, so I changed to the battery that they have given. So let's test this now. So it's working. Yeah, so it is working. We have to press the battery very deep though, so that's why it doesn't make any sound, but yeah,